Skinwalkers! Have you heard of them? They've been terrorizing these birds. I tried to warn them about what would happen if they went down there. They didn't listen. And now look what happened. They're all gone. Let me see my husband, please.
Yes, over there. He's over there.
I'll do anything. Anything.
This CNT ain't killing him. We need something more explosive. That's the thing with doing it. It just won't die. It won't kill them. They won't die.
Can you take me down? Please, I'm not going down there again. You can't make me go. I'm not going. I'm not going. I'm not going. I'm not going. This is not my fault. This is the doing of my brothers and sisters, and they're all based on your flesh tonight.
Please, wait. There's things in there. They ain't all my friends. And you'll end up like yourself.
Yeah, go. There's monsters in these mines. I don't know what they are, but look how much he did to me. It's not safe down here.
Don't go that way. You'll die. There's no escape. Have you seen my daddy?
Yeah. Hey, what's going on? Hey, what's up? Are you from Star Trek, the Borg? No?